Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's tidbit is another take on comps. A lot of people, when they go on listing appointments, bring a lot of information with them. Really what it boils down to is communication and data. The communication part is what you're going to have to take on yourself. Based on your personality, your traits, the clientele you're dealing with. There's so many factors there, right? But the data is the data. And I want to focus on a couple points pertaining to that today, right? So the first one is the correlations. There are several correlations that about 95% of the time are going to line up. For example, price, okay? If you're looking at sold comps, the most affordable homes sell fastest. The most expensive homes typically take longer. The majority of homes are going to fall in the middle. The days on market compared to price per square foot are almost directly correlated. Okay? So when you go on a listing appointment, rather than think, here's where you need to be, no matter what, boom, boom, boom. There's actually okay, here is your most affordable home, i.e. fixer-upper. Here is your average, i.e. most homes. Here is the high end, i.e. your nicest, most move-in ready, fixed up, upgraded home, right? And where do you fall in between? Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, you need to sell your home quick. Well, here's where the fastest home sold here. This is where you need to probably line yourself up. Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, your homes, pretty average for the neighborhood. So we can be safe that your home should be listed and it'll sell right around here in this amount of time. Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, it's totally understandable that you really want to try to push the market right now because we're setting records. So if you could afford the extra couple weeks, month, or whatever it might be, we could try to push the market right now if it calls for that. So comps are actually arranged depending on seller's needs, condition of property, where they want to price the home, and kind of their risk reward. If they're highly motivated, need to sell fast, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, here's you go, boom, here's where we need to be. There are so many directions that just using the ranges, that it'll automatically direct the conversations, and oftentimes the sellers are actually going to make the decision that's right for them, which is actually going to be right for the market and you simultaneously for helping them. The ranges are a great tool to use. You might want to try it. Have a great day.